Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Talk the Talk, the podcast where we help you practice English while listening to natural conversations. I'm Emma.
And I'm Matías. Today we have a special episode. We're going to describe a full day traveling across the city from morning to night.
Yes, we'll talk about buses, the metro, taxis, walking, and all the good and not so good things that happen when you move around a big city.
So get comfortable, listen carefully, and enjoy the story.
Okay, Matthias, let's imagine it's 7 a.m. We both have things to do on different sides of the city. What's the first thing you do before leaving home?
First, I check the weather on my phone. If it's warm and sunny, I take my bike. If it's cloudy or rainy, I take the bus.
Makes sense. Today is cloudy, but not raining yet.
That's dangerous. If it starts raining later, I'll get wet on the bike. So today I'll take the bus.
Good decision. I usually take the metro in the morning because it's faster. But today I want to try a new route. Maybe I'll take a bus too.
Oh, the famous Emma exploring new routes every week.
Haha, yes. I get bored easily. I like trying different ways to get around.
So we both leave home and start walking to the bus stop. How long does it take you?
Around 10 minutes. It's a nice walk. I like listening to music or podcasts, especially in the morning.
Me too. Walking helps me wake up, and the air is fresh in the morning.
When I arrive at the bus stop, there are already a few people waiting. Some look sleepy, others look stressed.
Classic morning vibes.
Exactly.
Okay, the bus arrives. Is it full?
Hmm. Not completely full, but many seats are taken. I find one empty seat near the window.
Lucky. I usually don't get a seat in the morning.
Really?
Yes, my bus stop is the third one on the route, so most people are already inside.
Oh, that's annoying.
But I don't mind standing for 15 minutes. It's okay.
Do you hold on to the handrail or do you try to balance without holding anything?
I try to balance until the driver brakes suddenly and I almost fall.
Ha ha ha. Classic bus experience.
So we're on the bus. I like looking out the window in the morning. The city looks different at 7:30 a.m.
Yeah, I agree. Streets are half empty and you can see people starting their day, opening shops, taking out the trash, walking their dogs.
And I also like observing passengers. Some people read books, others scroll through their phones, some listen to music.
And there's always one person eating breakfast on the bus.
Yes, usually a sandwich.
Or a very strong smelling empanada.
Oh, no, that's the worst.
Suddenly, the bus slows down.
Uh-oh, what happened?
Traffic jam.
Already? But it's early.
There's construction work on the main avenue. Traffic is moving very slowly.
Oh, man, that happens to me all the time. Road work everywhere.
The bus driver makes an announcement. Please be patient. We will move as soon as possible.
Well, I guess we're going to be late.
Maybe a little, but it's okay.
After 15 minutes in traffic, the bus finally moves. Emma reaches the transfer station.
Yes, I get off the bus because I want to take the metro now.
A combination route. Nice.
Exactly. I walk to the entrance of the metro station. There are many people, but it's not too crowded. I go down the stairs and hear the typical metro sounds: announcements, train doors closing, people walking fast.
The Morning Symphony.
Haha, yes. I check the screen to see when the next train arrives. It says Next train, 4 minutes.
Not bad.
I stand on the platform and I see a group of tourists trying to figure out the metro map.
Oh, tourists trying to survive the metro. So cute.
Yes, I helped them a bit. They were traveling in the wrong direction.
Good job, Emma. Metro hero.
The train arrives and I get in. It's not too crowded today, so I find a place to stand comfortably.
Do you sit when you can, or do you prefer standing?
If the trip is short, I stand. If it's long, I sit. But today, it's only 10 minutes, so I stand near the door.
Makes sense.
Inside the train, I hear an announcement. Next stop, Central Station.
That station is always full.
Yes, but today I'm lucky. Not many people are getting on.
While you're in the metro, I'm still on the bus. But the traffic is gone now, so the ride is smooth.
Do you listen to something?
Yes, usually music or a podcast. Sometimes I practice English with audio lessons.
Nice! Language learning on the go.
Exactly. On the bus, time goes faster when I listen to something interesting.
I arrive at Central Station. I walk out, and the streets are completely full. Students, workers, tourists, everyone moving fast.
City energy.
Yes, I love it. I walk 2 blocks to get to my appointment.
Meanwhile, I finally arrive near my office. I get off the bus and walk for 5 minutes.
Do you like walking?
I love it. I think the best part of commuting is the walking part.
Same. It's peaceful. After my appointment, I have to cross the city to meet a friend for lunch.
Another trip? Wow.
Yes, it's a very busy day.
So, how do you go now?
I decide to take a taxi because I'm running late.
Good choice.
The taxi arrives quickly. The driver says, "Good morning, where are you heading?"
Polite.
Yes, I tell him the address, and he starts driving. The ride is comfortable, and the car has air conditioning.
Ah, luxury.
Yes, compared to the bus.
At lunchtime, I meet a colleague who works near my office. We usually walk to a small restaurant 3 blocks away.
Nice. Walking lunches.
It's great because we avoid traffic and relax a bit. We talk about work, food, weekend plans.
Sounds peaceful. After lunch with my friend, I need to go to another part of the city to buy something for my house.
Another commute? Wow.
Yes, today is a travel marathon.
So, what transport now?
This time, I take a tram.
Ooh, I love trams. Smooth, quiet, and very scenic.
Exactly. The tram goes through a beautiful part of the city. Parks, old buildings, a river.
Sounds relaxing.
Yes, I sit next to the window and enjoy the view.
After work, I leave the office around 5:30 p.m. Of course, rush hour.
Oh no, the worst time to travel.
I know. I go to the bus stop and see a line of 25 people.
That's painful.
Very. I wait for the bus, but the first one is full and doesn't stop.
Oh, I hate when that happens.
The second bus arrives 10 minutes later, and I finally get on.
Do you get a seat?
No chance. But at least I'm inside the bus.
At the same time, I'm also going home. I decide to walk for 20 minutes before taking the metro again.
That's a long walk.
Yes, but the weather is nice and walking helps me relax.
Good for your mental health, too.
Totally. Then I enter the metro station, take the train, and after 15 minutes, I'm near home.
After getting off the bus, I walk home. I feel tired, but good.
Me too. A day moving around the city is always interesting but also exhausting.
Yes, commuting takes a lot of energy.
But it's also part of life. Every trip is a small adventure.
Emma, let's review some useful vocabulary from today.
Commute, bus stop, rush hour, traffic jam, platform, transfer, taxi, driver, tram, air conditioning, scenic route, get off or get on, crowded, construction work, route, comfortable.
Great list. Practice these words to improve your English.
Thanks for joining us today on Talk the Talk. We hope you enjoyed this full day of traveling with us.
Don't forget to subscribe,